Hi, good afternoon everyone. Have you ever wondered why this wheel rolls so smoothly? Or why this coin is round? It's all about this amazing shape, the circle. A circle is a two-dimensional shape where every point of the edge is the same distance in the center. The distance is called radius. If you ever double it, you'll get the diameter. The measurement of the circle all the way around is what you call the circumference.
So let's move on to the rectangle, like this shape. So rectangle has 4 sides and 4 rectangles. The length of width of a rectangle is equal or at the opposite side. And all of the sides of the rectangles are all 90 degrees. And the area of a rectangle is calculating by multiplying its length and width.
Hey, come back. I have a question for you. Do you know a round three-dimensional object where the point of its surface is the same distance from its center? Yes, it's the sphere. And a common example of a sphere is this ball right here. Unlike other shapes, it has no edges or vertices. Spheres are vital in physics, symmetry, and efficiency in enclosing space. It's so hot in here. I wanna beat the heat. I think I'll grab some ice cream. Hot. Hot. Do you know what is this? This is a cone. A cone is a three-dimensional geometric shape with a circular base and single curved surface that tapers smoothly to the point called the apex. It's commonly seen in objects like ice cream cones or traffic cones. Cones can be right or oblique. It's essential to geometry, calculus, and even the real-life application like architectures and optics. Ilami ng Raptor! Raptor. Tanaw na to nindot bagkuan. Strada, ano na to Raptor? Strada rin na day, di na Raptor day. Sir, so sa Raptor may magkuan sir kay para choy. Sa baka diri. Tan man na diri. Cheers. Sir, we are going to sir, we are done sa dorm. Sa rectangle na mo na
Bloopers!
So karon we're going to the parking lot. Na taas kayo.
Kining inang linder pa to. Ay, sorry, nagasulti ko mo.
Oh, sulti ko mga.
Ikat ba kayo nagasulti ko mo?
Going to
Ikat ba kayo nagasulti ko mo?